Can't see where the yards begin or the road begins. When the wind slows down, you can actually see the snow for a change. I'd say it's being blown all the way down to Georgia. Wow. How high would you think those gusts are?
At least 50.
Yeah. I've never seen those trees sway like that. Those are big trees, too. I don't think I ever remember seeing them do that. I mean, you know, maybe for like 20 minutes to half an hour during a thunderstorm, but I mean, this has been going on all night long. Nearly, I don't know how long, but it's been going all night long. I'm amazed these power lines are still up. Boing. And they're just flapping in the breeze.